Your computer and everything you do, finally in one place that belongs entirely to you. This is Livinity, your files, your apps, and your own AI. Assistant, all private, all self-hosted. And in less than 30 minutes, you can set the whole thing up yourself. Let's begin. It starts at livinity.io. Create your free account with just an email and a password. No credit card, no commitment, simply your key to everything that follows. Check your inbox. Livinity sends a quick code to confirm it's really you. Enter it, and in a blink, your account is verified and live. Now choose your username. It's more than a name. It becomes your personal address on the web, the front door to your computer, reachable from anywhere on Earth. Here's the whole deal. One simple plan, $7.99 a month, with your first 3 days completely free. It unlocks your own subdomain, a secure tunnel with no firewall to configure, the one-line installer, a full library of apps, and Liv, the assistant woven into all of it. Start your free trial. Checkout takes just a few seconds, and nothing is charged until those 3 days are up. And here it is, the heart of Livinity. A single command that installs your entire server. We'll run it in just a moment. But first, your server needs a home. Livinity can run on any machine you like, any cloud, or a spare computer at home. Today, we'll spin one up on Google Cloud, where new accounts get $300 in free credit. We'll create a fresh project and open Compute Engine to build it. Now size your server. Livinity recommends a standard machine, 2 processors, and 8 GB of memory, plenty of room to run smoothly. For the operating system, choose Ubuntu, version 2404, and give it at least 30 GB of disk. A clean, modern foundation for everything to come. Click Create, and within moments, your server springs to life. A blank machine in a data center, waiting for Livinity to arrive. Open a terminal straight into it, right from your browser, no extra software needed. Authorize once, and you're securely connected to your new machine. Head back to your dashboard and copy that one install command. Your private key is already built in, so it's ready to go. Paste it into the terminal and press Enter. That's the only command you will ever type. From here, Livinity takes over completely. Now, watch it work. Livinity is assembling your entire computer: Docker, the database, the web server, and a secure tunnel that links your machine to your address. Every piece configured automatically. There's nothing to set up and nothing to babysit. No firewall, no port forwarding, just a server quietly building itself while you wait. And a few minutes later, it's done. Your server is live, and the installer hands you your own personal address. Open it, and a quick setup wizard greets you. Create your account. Your password is the master key, and it never leaves your machine. Add a second layer of protection with two-factor security. Scan the code with any authenticator app, enter the 6 digits, and now you, and only you, can ever sign in. Almost there. Tell Livinity where you are and set your language and time. Small touches so your computer feels right the moment you arrive. And that's it. You're all set. Welcome to your computer. Liv is online and ready, your apps are a click away, and everything you do now lives in one private place that belongs to no one but you. This is Livinity, yours and open to all. Livinity.io